According to Ruto supporters, anybody rejecting Ruto is funded by the West. They pretend not to know Ruto himself is a puppet of the West. He's a bootlicker of the West. Anything the West says, he salutes. Take your kinsman, your policeman to Haiti, he salutes. We need to build a Ebola facility in Kenya, he salutes. France comes here and tells him, we need to build a army base, our own army base in your country, he salutes. Trump comes, I need your minerals, Kenyan minerals, he salutes. Ruto supporters, let me tell you again, the biggest problem we have in Kenya is Ruto. You think anybody who is rejecting Ruto is funded? Ruto himself is funding goonies him. He's a good from the times back there from 1990s, 1992, 1992 there. And he is funded by the West. Even his campaign was funded by the West. That's why he is a puppet of the West. Stop thinking it. All the activists who say no to human trafficking, no to abductions are funded by the West. You are supporting evil because you love someone. You must be mad. Ruto himself is a puppet of the West.